The price of Bitcoin has crashed on Wednesday morning, dropping by thousands of dollars in the space of just a few minutes. The cryptocurrency fell below $59,000 following the flash crash, down more than $5,000 from the levels it was trading at earlier this week. The latest price drop comes less than a week after BTC hit a new all-time high of close to $67,000. Blockchain data suggests today's price crash is partly fueled by long-term holders taking some profits, which typically happens after Bitcoin hits a new all-time high. Any sudden dip in price of more than a couple of percent can trigger panic selling from crypto investors, though severe dips also typically attract new buyers. Am I the only one who gets excited by little mini dips in a bull market? One investor wrote on Twitter, "Just by the dip, little flash sale." Another wrote, "By the dip, thank me later." Flash crashes, seen earlier this year, were followed by record reaking bounce backs, with some crypto analysts predicting new all-time highs before the end of 2021. Several other leading cryptocurrencies also tumbled in price, with Ethereum, Binance Coin, Cardano, Solana and Ripple all falling by between 5 to 15%. The overall crypto market fell below $2.5 trillion, more than $200 billion down from earlier this week. The only cryptocurrency with a market cap above $20 billion to see any gains was the meme coin Shiba Inu. The Dogecoin spin FF has doubled in price in the last week and bucked market trends on Wednesday to rise a further 20%. The researchers warned that such high levels of concentration means the Bitcoin network is susceptible to a so-called 51% attack, where miners could collude to reverse transactions. Such a scenario happened in 2014 when the mining pool Garch.io briefly controlled 51% of all the Bitcoin network's processing power. The massive Bitcoin and crypto rally this year, sending the combined market from around $700 billion to over $2.5 trillion, has sparked concern among regulators and central bankers, who fear a crash could be imminent. This month, influential central banker John Cunliffe, currently serving as the Bank of England's Deputy Governor for Financial Stability, warned a massive collapse in crypto set prices plausible scenario. ND called for the fast-growing Bitcoin and crypto market to be urgently regulated to prevent it becoming a threat to the wider financial system. Despite the warnings and Bitcoin fall under $60,000, Bitcoin and crypto traders remain upbeat. E-bulls are still gunning for a three-figure end to the year, although somewhere between the range of $70,000 to $90,000 is likely more realistic, with three figures potentially transpiring towards the end of 2022's first quarter. Im Frost, the chief executive of the trading app Yield, said in emailed comments. Last week, a panel of 50 Bitcoin and cryptocurrency experts predicted the Bitcoin price will continue to climb through 2021, hitting highs of around $80,000, before surging to $250,000 by 2025 and a staggering $5 million per Bitcoin by 2030.